Go.
Hello and namaste, this is Mipar. Welcome back to the channel. So let us now start with today's most important news and headlines. So let us start with today's most important Indian news. Russia's Deputy Prime Minister Denis Manturov lands tomorrow in India to discuss the West Asia issues. Indigo announces hike in fuel charges, air fare to get costlier. Bills to recognize Amravati as Andra's capital in Lok Sabha has been filed. There is a hello and namaste. This is Mipar. Welcome back to the channel. So let us now start with today's most important news and headlines. So let us start with today's most important Indian news. Russia's Deputy Prime Minister Denis Manturov lands tomorrow in India to discuss the West Asia issues. Indigo announces hike in fuel charges, air fare to get costlier. Bills to recognize Amravati as Andra's capital in Lok Sabha has been filed. There is a heated political fight in Assam where BJP talks about illegal immigration, that is known as infiltration, and Congress talks about corruption, both trying to win voters. A ship with Iranian oil may be coming to India, but the government says it hasn't confirmed this yet. Even though it could be a big shift in oil trade, as India have not imported oil from Iran for 5 to 7 years due to sanctions. Let us now talk about some global news. Russia rejects Zelensky's Easter truce offer, labeling this proposal as PR stunt. Trump's lawyer and the Chief Justice disagreed in court over whether everyone born in the US should automatically be a citizen, making it an important legal and political debate. False and baseless, Iran rejects Trump's ceasefire claim as war escalates. Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi joined crowds during the war to show confidence, unity, and motivate people despite ongoing conflict. Boat carrying Afghan migrants capsized, which means overturned, killing 19 people. Trump considering pulling out of NATO due to setback from allies in Iran war. Bab al-Mandab is a critical global shipping route and war tensions near it are rising, fears that trade and oil supply could be disrupted. Artemis 2 mission is set to be launched, reviving lunar exploration after Apollo program that ended in 1972, and it is an initiative by NASA. UAE wants to force Hormuz open and is willing to join the fight. Perplexity AI accused of sharing data with Meta and Google. Now let us talk about some sport news. Italy failed to qualify for FIFA World Cup for third straight time. Delhi Capitals won against Lucknow Super Giants, and today is a match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Kolkata Knight Riders. Now let's talk about some entertainment news. Dhurandhar 2 box office collection at day 14 crosses 915 crores. Internet slams IMAX India Vice President for his demeaning response over Project Hail Mary. Spider-Man Brand New Day trailer makes history as first to cross 1 billion views. Now let's talk about some business news. SpaceX files potentially biggest IPO in history, listing likely in June 2026. Adani Ports crosses 500 million trillion, showing rapid growth. Indian investors earned rupee 12 lakh crores in minutes as Sensex jumps at open. Sensex up by around 2,000 points. Nifty 50 gains 2.71% on hopes Iran war could end soon. Commercial LPG gets costlier, price hiked by 195 rupees amid global oil concern. Atlassian to cut 1,600 jobs, about 10% of workforce on AI focus. Now let's talk about some technology news. India's CCTV ban starts tomorrow, ensuring enhanced national security by restricting China based internet connectivity